Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about module 5 in the same lesson, the role of the government in the health. Right? So in the previous module what we discussed about private health services. Okay. So in that private health services in the rural areas and at the same time urban areas also we discussed about the private health services. Right? In urban areas we can see so many big hospitals, well furnished, well established, including each and every facility, right? Laboratory services, medicines, right? Each and every facility, including we can find so many hospitals in the urban areas. Okay, big hospitals, right? If we take health, if we take service in that hospital, if we want to take treatment in that hospital, we have to pay too much amount based on the treatment, right? So coming to the private hospitals also means in the rural areas also private health services are there, and there also we can find RMPs, registered medical practitioners, are also called as PMPs, private medical practitioners, right? They will roam around the village, they will go to house and they will provide their service. And in some areas they will stay at one place like a small clinic and they will provide service to the villagers, and they will also give medicines, right? So like this, in the rural areas and at the urban areas private health services are expanding their services day by day. They are expanding their services, they are increasing their hospitals, because each and every year in our country so many doctors are producing, right? So but at the same time government means public health services are not at all increasing in that way. Based on our population, based on our needs, based on our requirements, public health services are not at all increasing. So what could be done for that, right? So that is our topic now. Okay, what could be done, what we have to do to increase our health services all over the India, including remote areas, including rural areas, including tribal areas, right? In private health services we discussed about poor families. If any emergency is there, any accident or any major diseases they have, if they need to take treatment in the private hospital, they have to sell their properties or sell their gold or something, agricultural lands, right? Means if they want to take treatment within the time, they want to sell their properties to pay the amount to the hospital. Okay, so for that kind of situations what government has to do, right? So in that way government has to provide services, government has to increase their services all over the India, including villages, right? So in that same way here government has to provide first basic facilities, amenities, sanitary, drinking water, proper food, means nutritious food, right? Clean surroundings, right? So all these will come under that. Okay, if we have in that position we will be healthy automatically. Okay, so first government has to concentrate on the basic facilities, amenities, whatever people need, even in slum areas, even in rural areas, even in tribal areas, right? Each and every corner of the country, not only in the city, not only in the town, not only in the urban area, right? Including each and every area, government has to concentrate on all these aspects. And after that, it has to increase hospitals in the urban area also, in the rural areas also, right? They has to expand their services. They need to recruit more doctors. They need to give employment to more nurses, more health workers. Okay, so if government do that all kind of works, then it will be successful. Even in rural areas also, even in remote areas also, we can see all the healthy people, right? So let me show you some slides about that. Okay,
so children, here see the slide. The first one is health services. In the sustainable development goal, health services all over the India, each and everywhere, right? And next, here also each and every means not only children, not only women, each and every person should be healthy, right? So ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all the ages. And next, clean water, clean water and sanitation everywhere in the schools, in the public areas, public parks, hospitals, schools, roads, bus stand, railway station, each and everywhere government has to provide clean drinking water facility and basic sanitation also. Next, basic amenities. In this, education also one of the basic need for the people, because they should have awareness about the cleanliness. So these are the facilities, children. These facilities should be provided by the government, then only people will be healthy.
So children, in that way government has to provide facilities. So here we have two examples for that. Okay, the first one is the Kerala experience and the second one is Costa Rica approach, right? In two different areas. And the first one, the Kerala experience. Kerala is one of the state in our country only that we know already, right? So Kerala people, what they did in the year of 1996, actually in the year of 1996, whatever the budget allotted for their state, in that total budget 40% of the budget they allotted for the panchayats, means the rural areas. Okay, so with that money, whatever they need, whatever they required exactly, right, for their health, for their basic amenities, whatever they required, that all the things they only developed, they planned in such a manner and they developed their villages. Okay, very good thing, right? We all should take initiative. Okay, so in that way they developed even basic food, drinking water facility, right, and surroundings, cleanliness, okay, proper drainage system, right, water supply in so many areas, and the basic women and child education, women health, children health, and in the schools also, government schools, Anganwadi centers will be there, right? On that Anganwadis also they concentrated for the food facility for the small children, okay, and pregnant ladies. Through the Anganwadis, they took care of the pregnant ladies and small children. Okay, so in that way they developed their state in the year of 1996. This is the excellent thing. All states should take initiative. Okay, so in that way they are developing. How many days they will wait for government has to do? Even those are government funds only. Whatever the amount they got, that is the government funds only, provided by government only. But how their planning, here their planning is very important. Okay, their planning, and in that proper planning, for that planning implementation also. Okay, the both ways they succeeded and they developed in that way. Their villages they developed in these all the aspects. Whatever they need basically, that all the things, whatever they required in their villages, in all the aspects they developed, they planned and they implemented and they developed in a such a proper way. Okay, so children, that is the best example in our country. Coming to the rural areas, so 40% of the amount is not less amount. Okay, it is a huge package, right? So that amount they used in a proper way, in a particular manner they used and they developed, right? So let me show you some slides about that.
Children, see here, this is a Kerala map. Of course, already we know where is Kerala, right? So I am showing you Kerala map. In that Kerala, how they planned. Just now I said, no, in the year of 1996, in the entire budget, 40% of the amount they took and they invested for the village development, for the health care. Okay, so in that way here you can see nutritious food. First they concentrated on the basic amenities. In that First thing is nutritious food. And next, Anganwadi schools in Kerala. We can see here small children means below 5 years of age. And next one Anganwadi worker also there. She is cooking for them. Right, in this slide we can see. And next, they concentrated on the supply of drinking water in all the areas, in all the remote areas of Kerala, right? And proper supply of water means they checked and they did that kind of water supply, right? This is also one of the major things. So these are the things, means whatever they need to concentrate more, right? That things they concentrated and they worked on that and they succeeded also. Okay.
So children, next coming to the second example here, the Costa Rican approach. Okay, actually this Costa Rica area is in Central America. Okay, this was the healthiest state in America. Here what they did, that we discuss now. Okay, so here in this state they don't want to support an army. Okay, instead of army they want to support on health of the people. Okay, if total state is healthy, all the people are healthy, then we can concentrate our state development. We can do anything in our state, right? Like that they thought and they started. Okay, whatever the money they are spending on the maintenance of the army, that all the money they cancelled on army and they spent on the health of the people. Okay, they provided healthy food for the people, they provided healthy drinking water, clean drinking water for the people, right? And they concentrated on health education, health awareness in all the people, right? And they provided education for the children, right? And health centers they concentrated. Each and every area they provided primary health centers, right? So like that they concentrated on the public's health. Okay, so here they took the decision, if we are healthy we can do anything, we can develop our state like anything. Okay, so first we have to concentrate on our health. Each and every person, each and every child, each and every lady, each and every gent, each and everyone should be healthy in our state. Like that they thought and they took the decision. Okay, so that time they cancelled army and whatever the money they are spending on army, that total amount they spent on the public health, right? So very good decision, right? So in that way they concentrated and they succeeded. Okay, so here also means in these two examples, even in Kerala also, even in Costa Rica also, that government has concentrated more on the public's health, then only they succeeded. Okay, so let me show some slides on this Costa Rica.
So children, in this slide you can see healthcare facilities in Costa Rica. Doctor is testing a child in the hospital, right? And here one more thing, the pure and fresh drinking water to the people. Okay, so these are the basic facilities, whatever they provided for the people, these are the basic facilities for the people. Drinking water, cleanliness, cleanly surroundings, right? Education to the child and women, and awareness about the health, right? All these things will help the health of the people. Okay.
So children, these are the best examples. One is Kerala experience and the second one is Costa Rica, right? So now you have seen that Costa Rica also, the slides, that hospitals, how they are taking care of the patients, right? So each and every facility they provided for the people to get healthy. Okay, so health is the most important wealth of the person. In that way they concentrated on the health. Okay, so children, I hope you understand the concept. Once again I will give recap, right? So in that way, first one, what can be done? Here what can be done means what government has to take steps, right? Government has to expand the hospitals in the urban area and at the same time rural areas also. In rural areas, primary health centers they want to expand, increase, right? Even in tribal areas. And so many rural areas don't have transportation, don't have proper facilities to reach within the time to the hospital, right? They don't have sufficient money to spend on their treatment, right? And they don't have proper cleanliness their surroundings. They are not having proper drinking water in their areas. In so many areas, people are kilometers together, they are walking and they are bringing drinking water from the wells, right? So government has to concentrate on this kind of facilities. Okay, government has to concentrate, government has to provide the basic water facility, pure drinking water facility to the people, right? Sanitation, healthcare, basic education and health awareness in all the people, right? And they need to recruit more doctors, they need to expand their services, right? They need to provide all the equipments what they need in the hospital. Okay, so that all the things government has to do within the time, then our country will be healthy, right? So in that we have here two examples. One is the Kerala experience and the second one is Costa Rican approach, right? Kerala is one of the state in our country only. Okay, in the year of 1946, they spent their in their budget 40% of the amount they spent on their villages development. Okay, they concentrated more on the people's health. They provided each and every basic facility to the people in a proper manner. They planned and they succeeded, right? So in the same way here, Costa Ricans also, that is one of the state in the Central America, and they also concentrated on their people's health. If people are healthy, we can do afterwards anything. Okay, so their first priority gives to the health, right? So in that way here also, instead of army, that amount they spent on their people's health, people's basic facilities. They provided cleanly drinking water to the people, right? Basic education to the women and child care. They provided the nutritious food to the people, right? And they concentrated on the surroundings cleanliness, sanitation, right? So all these things they concentrated and they also succeeded. Okay, these are the two best examples we have how we can do ourselves. Okay, so this kind of things should be initiated in all the places, then the total country will be healthy automatically, right? So we hope that day should come in our country also, in every way, in every area, right children? We'll meet you in the next module.